They don't catch Davido and Mia Yafai. I've been they talk this thing before. Everybody say na lie, but you too they talk. I too they talk. I say I go bring her. For all the doubting Thomas, we don't they doubt me since. Hey! When I first start they see these people, I thought say these people they get something. They get something. Even the people when they cross road, they get something. What when I talk? He's helping her to cross the road. As for zebra, where Davido don't become. Ngwanu, latest one now. These two people wanna defend left and right. They don't catch them, they kiss. I will put out there, make them they see. Now see how the mouth join. Make una not say na Photoshop. Na this one propaganda. Una see the mouth as they join her. No be editing, no. They, in fact, then on their own way, they kiss. David. Child. Chineke, finally, assurance don't they become endurance. Small. We are getting there. To the endurance point, the endurance bus stop, we go soon reach there. And I'm not going to blame Davido. No, for one part of this, I'm not going to blame Davido. Because, Choma, you with your big head, you see, what did they call her? You see two baby mamas before you enter this picture. Before you enter this, what did I even call her? This conjunction. But you still shook head. You say you died there because of money, because of fame, because of this one. Nah, you see that thing where the other baby mama they feel. When I remember when they sing, give me assurance. Hey! How much be that car again? I don't forget. Let person remind you. No, just imagine how the other baby's mama been they feel. Nah, my sister, you go feed this thing. I better bring her outside safe. Madam, the chef herself, Chef Chichi. No, if you like, go do another jollof. Small our wife when they go call you, you go feel on top of the world. Our wife, you say we go the job. Our wife. No, you don't see her. I'll bring you out now so that you go hear me well. Because I know say if I leave you for that side, you're gonna do like say no, be here the total. I'm say you hear her, your brother, I be your man. Hey, don't they kiss another woman? And you dey kitchen, they cook. If I be you, I go leave that pot. That knife, whatever it is. Start a run, go look for this girl now. If not, anyhow, you already baby mama self. No need to even stress this issue. Like people last, it be like say Davido go reach all of us hand. I dey wait for my turn, no. No. How many? No, make I count them for you. Now like that. And this one said now, I don't even they count the ones where we know they are well because he get your own hidden things with the you understand they go down with. He go so rich. I bet David see my face oh. Hope say I'm next after Mia. Go look for me. You leave Choma, you they follow lesbian. You leave this one, you go. In fact, I no just understand. See, women una need learn. No man, see, I know how long they see one even want to talk all this thing. You know if you keep man, if man no one make you keep am. If you like be the best chef, if you like hang your leg for fun, if you know they do, if you like enter wardrobe, if see, you no go keep this man if you no want make you keep am. It is as simple as that. But no, women won't kill themselves. And I must please him. I must do this one. Why Davido show Chioma off if you know say you no go, you no ready to stop the sleep around? Why you show him off? You make us heart attack where I get. Chineke. When this assurance thing starts, I even come dey fight with my boyfriend. I say, see what your fellow man is doing. See what you show him off finish. Now you come dey put am for shame. You now see what they tell una say no envy anybody. This life. Person go shine today, tomorrow you become rag. They go, everybody go even start to step on you. Fear baby daddies oh. Fear baby and they no get heart. Okay, some of them I bet before na swallow me raw. Some of them no get heart. I just imagine what Chioma they go through like this. Even the time where this video come out, where him and this girl they cross road. Heart attack say one kill Chioma. Now just imagine the kissing part. Hey, Lazarus, they don't swear for Davido. They swear for Davido. You not ready to settle down. If I tell na this, you no go to hear. Davido never ready to settle down. He never enjoy wetin they enjoy finish. People like this, I doubt sef whether you go even marry Davido. You go just dey get baby mama 1, baby mama 2, baby, you go reach 50, baby mama 50, you go just dey tag all of them like that, and they go dey continue to come because of how much, our Chichi now Chichi, our Chichi don become Lord of the Rings sister o, since wey I hear ring matter, since anyhow make 2021 finish sef we go dey count the years dey go, since person wey wan marry you go marry you, make una see, stop all these things. I'm trying to know you. You are trying to know her for how long? You are trying to know her, but una dey do time to do it, and you are not trying to know her, you know her already. Then time to marry, you are trying to know her. Continue knowing yourselves. Chichi, na the matter be this. In fact, this one is for you special. So anything wey go happen next, whether na fighting, boxing, they go na here una go hear, and na why una need subscribe if una never subscribe, but because the fight wey go happen after this one, you don't want to miss it. Very, very important. I bet my people started drop the comment for that comment section. I go reply that one by one as usual. Share this video, make everybody know say our favorite artist is misbehaving bad. And if you never subscribe, once again, let you dey wait for, just click on that thing. Stay tuned for our next story. You don't get belle, oh Lord, help me. Another shooting don't take place when the boy don't say, I beg you don't, this boy don't they run from this girl like saying another person go put seed inside his stomach. People don't they look for this boy since. My people not be today matter. Where they come finally find out say, Ungwanu na for Ligoni day. Now so this girl come trace with the belly. Can't see wahala. Now you give me this one. The boy even they tell her say why she go meet am for that side. Say why you no call her. Meanwhile this girl don't they try like they call her. No, una know how una they do men. Okay, so men. Una go why una go impregnate person wey una go they do like say and another person. No, you they do like say you no know Anna. My people, I say I go bring a corn aside because this one it needs to be exposed. He needs to, in fact, he needs to take full responsibility of this young lady. That's how I go bring her on aside. So I beg for now, when no know wetin happen, who are they talk about and how the whole thing shele. I beg join me, make we watch the video.
Take the salad. Take the salad. What relax. There you go, relax.
How you hit me now? Now!
What are you? Why you go pick up?
Let me get the baby as well. Fuck you know.
I know, baby, inside. So you don't tell me what's that?
Boys of nowadays. Boys of nowadays. The only thing we do in our mind now to have fun. Nothing serious. And the thing where they pay me say for this whole thing is that the girl self they see am, but they do like say they not see am. Una always they carry the way. No, see this one now. Una just see. What can this guy offer this girl? Okay, fine. Una go say no. Money not too good. Money not the important. Money no. I beg, may nobody deceive una. Money is important too. Money is important, but I did not say you should love money more than your partner. But because money is important, what are we talking? Now this type, are they very sure? Now this type will go borrow Benz from a friend so that they go impress girls, they go deceive girls. By the time you fall now, boom. No, just imagine. Just imagine waiting. No, all of now always open in a mouth. I like it raw. I like it. See what raw don't cost. You don't shoot now, you don't score. How much be condom? No, how much be condom? I just they ask because if you say some of una, you know say you not ready for something. You still they go and now the way this girl don't come now for her mind, they disgrace this boy. My sister, you're also disgracing yourself. You're also disgracing yourself. Now, why I always say because if you are not ready to be an adult, don't do what adults do. It is as simple as that. Why you not just go buy this thing, user? See, now they bring criminals for this life. Sorry to say, but now they bring criminals. Before you know, now she go born this pikin. Money no dey to take care of her. Hey, no school. This one before you don't enter streets, you don't join other gangs, you don't start a thief, you don't start a rape. No, now from like that they start. No be from club they enter dance. Small before you know, and now we don't even know who the person don't turn to. Don't turn to one super, in fact, senior criminal. I beg, I bring this thing here so that I go teach us ladies. No matter how simple your relationship with person dey, it's very important. Know somebody in his life. See this girl now. After I carry belle, no, who she know? Even they trace the guy, they search for am, they can't find am. I no just don't understand. Know somebody. You will even go a family house. They must accept am because now you put am there. Please, ladies cannot impregnate themselves. Men, have that thing in your mind. We cannot impregnate ourselves. So whenever you do something, take full response. Una like stress for this life. This life, una really like stress. Bia, for this brother, you must accept that thing. This pregnancy, you go accept am. Very important. This girl said she's too calm. Me, I don't bring police, I don't bring anything. No, because when una dey shoot, una dey score, una dey position the girl. No, baby, put it like this. No, shift this leg. No, una you dey sweet una no remember say something go come out after that one. Under fire devil, you go accept this thing, you go accept am, and you go take full responsibility, whether you like am or not. God save you, say I no be this girl sister. Me, I for buy this case from your hand. Very, very important, my people. I beg, may we learn to dey careful. It is important. Learn to dey careful. Because help me share this video so that other girls too go know say pregnancy is real. The way they talk say HIV is real. No, pregnancy too is real. If you're not ready to be a mother or a father, be cool. Respect yourself, as simple as that. You understand? And make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go dey miss interesting matters like this. Drop your comments and una know as usual I go reply now one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.